Hi students, in the last class or in the previous classes we saw the problems on issue of shares at par value as well as we saw the problems on issue of shares at the premium value. Okay, so now in this and I hope all of you understand that both the concepts, okay, the par value as well as the issue of shares at the premium value. Okay, so now in this class we will see the problems on issue of shares at discount. Okay, so it means what? Issue of shares at discount, it means what? The company is issuing shares, the less price than the face value of the shares is nothing but what the issue of shares at the discount. It means what? Suppose the company is issuing one share and the share price is rupees 100. Okay, each share price is rupees 100. Okay, so but there is no demand for that shares, then the company will issue at a discount. Okay, so it means what? The 100 rupees is the share price. What's the 100 rupees is the share price, but there is no demand for that shares, but then the company is issuing at a the discount. It means what? That shares will issue of rupees 90 rupees. What's for the rupees 90 rupees? It means what? The 10 rupees, it was the discount. It means what? Price less than the face value of shares is nothing but what? The issue of shares at a discount. Okay, and so whatever the discount is given, so it is nothing but what? The capital loss. Okay, it is nothing but what? The capital loss. Okay, and so this case is happening in the allotment. Okay, in the allotment concepts. Okay, so now see how to adjust that entry. Okay, so while passing the journal entry of this allotment, like this we have to pass share allotment account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit to share capital account credit. Okay, so like this we have to pass the journal entries. Okay, so whatever earlier the format is given, like this all the transactions, all the entries we have to pass. So but if the discount is there, only one transactions we have to record like this. Okay, share allotment account debit to share allotment account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit to share capital account credit. Okay, so now see, we will see the problems on the issue of shares at the discount. Okay, so see here problem. Bhagyalakshmi Company Limited issued 2000 equity shares of rupees 50 each at a discount of rupees 5 per share. The amount was receivable as follows. Okay, so it means what? So this Bhagyalakshmi company is there. Okay, and so this company is issuing 2000 equity shares of rupees 50, but 5 rupees discount is given. It means what? They are issuing at rupees 45. Okay, at rupees 45, but because here 5 rupees is given discount while the allotment. Okay, so now see how they are going to receive this 45 rupees. Okay, so by the applications they are receiving the 10 rupees, by the allotment they are receiving rupees 10 rupees, and by the calls, the first calls that will be the final call, they are receiving rupees 25. Okay, so now we have to pass the journal entries. Whatever the format is given as it is, we have to pass only the, you have to adjust this allotment transactions. Okay, so now see how to pass journal entry in the books of the Bhagyalakshmi Company Limited. Okay, so what's the first entry is what's rupees 10 on application. Okay, so now see pass the journal entries. Bank account debit rupees 20,000 to share application account credit rupees 20,000. So it means what? 10 into 2000, it's a 20,000. Okay, so bank account debit to share application account credit. Okay, so what's the narration? Being application money received on 2000 shares at rupees 10 each. Okay, so next share application account debit rupees 20,000 to equity share capital account credit rupees 20,000. Okay, being application money transfer to share capital account. Okay, next what's B rupees 10 on allotment. Okay, so in this allotment 5 rupees concession is given, discount is given. Okay, so it means actually here should be 15, but he has given 10. Okay, so because 5 rupees discount is given. Now at the time what's the entry we have to pass like this? Share allotment account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit to share capital account credit. Okay, so now see here share allotment account debit rupees 20,000. So how it came 20,000? So this 10 into 2000, it's a 20,000. discount on issue of shares, debit rupees 10,000. So how it came to 10,000? 5 rupees discount is given, no? Okay, so 2000 into 5, it's here 10,000. Okay, so here 10,000. To equity share capital account credit rupees 30,000. Okay, so what's the narration? Being allotment money due on 2000 shares along with discount. Okay, so next, being bank account debit to share allotment account credit rupees 20,000. Okay, so bank account debit 20,000, only bank account 20,000. How? So because only this share allotment, they are, by the share allotment they are receiving only the 20,000, and so this 10,000 is given discount. Okay, so that's why, so bank is receiving rupees 20,000 to sharing allotment account credit rupees 20,000. Okay, so last transaction is what's related to the final or the first call. Share first and final call account debit rupees 50,000 to share equity share capital account credit rupees 50,000. So being first and final call money due on 2000 shares at rupees 25 each. Okay, so this for last is rupees 25 on first call. Okay, so this 25 into 2000, it's what's, it's the 50,000. Okay, so last is what's, bank account debit 50,000 to share first and final call account credit rupees 50,000. Okay, so this 50,000 is being received. Okay, the being first and final call money received. Okay, so like this we have to pass the journal entries on the shares issue at a discount. Okay, I hope you will be understand the concepts on the issue of shares at the discount. Okay, as well as we saw the problems also on issue of shares at a discount. Okay, I hope you will be the understand. So if you have any doubt, you have any query with previous classes also as well as this class also, then you can contact me. Okay, so thank you.